Have you ever wished that there was a commission toolbox that would allow real estate commission plans to be created, modified, analyzed, and compared with existing commission strategies using your own historical sale data? Well, you can stop wishing. CAP is here. CAP is a real estate commission toolbox that allows real estate broker owners to create, modify, analyze, compare, and predict possible commission and compensation strategies using the broker owner's own historical sale transactions. Bringing CAP to life was no easy task. It took years to design and develop. Our programming team have spent over 40+ years developing Profit Power, the leading real estate back office solution that's rated #1 by leading real estate organizations. Profit Power customers include the who's who in the real estate industry, many of which are in the top 100 brokerage firms in the country. Over 4 decades, Profit Power has processed billions of dollars in sales volume, millions and millions of sales transactions, millions upon millions of dollars in gross commissions, millions of sales associate commission calculations. To create an application like CAP requires years of experience and expertise that our Profit Power development team has gained over the last 40+ years working with these prestigious firms. The bottom line is there simply is nothing like CAP anywhere, and for good reason. It takes decades of knowledge and understanding of the real estate industry to develop a sophisticated commission application like CAP. How would you use CAP in your real estate organization? Sales agent recruiting and retention. Handling sales agent commission grievances. Budgeting and forecasting revenue. 4. Creation of commission strategies to increase company profitability. 5. Compare hypothetical commission strategies with past historical sales activity. 6. Stop guessing as to whether or not a commission strategy will produce the profitability results you are seeking. There's a video presentation on CAP that you can watch at your own leisure and without obligation. Contact us at our website or give us a call.